I'm Stephanie Dang, and I'm sharing a layout with you featuring the dies from last month and some stamps from this month. I'm using this heart paper from the Cardstock Kit and trimming about 1/4 an inch off of each side for my layout. I'm using the smaller arch dies to cut out some arches from the pattern paper. I added some stitching along the edges of my layout and also on these arches. I'm going to build up my photo by adding some layers using pattern papers and white cardstock. Ready to start embellishing using embellishments from the main kit and the embellishment kits. I'm taking the stamps from the Project Life kit from this month and adding some stamping to my page. I'm also using the inks from the color kit from this month. I'm adding some smaller flares by using these glitter hearts, and I'm pretty much done with my page. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't liked this video, please like this video and follow us for more inspiration. Have an awesome day, everyone.